Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you that how I got unlimited credits on my IMVU app. As you can see over here, I'm having unlimited credits, and I'm going to show you in this video step by step that how I got it so many credits. And just make sure you watch the video until the end, and let's go immediately to start this tutorial. Okay, so guys, before you start the downloading process of mod of getting the IMVU, and so you can start to generate credits, you need to make a checking before. So basically you need to go to settings, and then you need to scroll it down till to the battery, and then make sure that you're not in the lower power mode, so this yellow sign on the top should be switch off. Okay, this will help you that the process goes smooth here. Okay, so the next step you need to go to Safari or any kind of browser that you use. You need to search for a website called freeinjects.com. This is the name of the website where you're going to find the mod of generating credits. So you need to press on it, and you will enter inside the website where you're going to face a bunch of other applications inside of the web, a lot of apps and games and tweeted modding games also. So you just need to scroll it later on and check by yourself, and if you want to get any one of it, you can get it without needing to pay nothing. So I'm just going to search in the searching bar for our app IMVU. Here it comes. It says IMVU mod. Get unlimited credits for free, works on iOS and Android. So just press in the middle and then press this green sign over here, download now, and the loading process of the mod from the website to the game will start, and you start to generate credits on your app practically. So guys, you just need to wait a couple of seconds. As you can see, steps are quite simple and easy. I need to mention to you that also for the Android devices are the same steps I'm showing to you in this tutorial with my iPhone. So practically the same steps also for the Android. Just a few seconds more and we're almost done. The next steps, guys, is going to send you to the verifying zone, same as it did to me, and it will require over here, as you can read, download and complete the instructions below in order to unlock IMVU mod on your device. So in order to unlock the mod on the app, we need to complete the instructions, which if you see over here, there are a couple of apps, which most of them are very popular and well-known apps, so there is nothing to get worried about it. So how it worked for me and how I got it, how I made it possible to get so many credits. After I completed these two apps and I follow the instructions, it started to generate credits on my IMVU profile. So practically, guys, I'm just going to show you step by step how I did it. I choose iOS social calendar, I press on it, then tap to install. It will connect automatically with the Apple Store in the case when you're using iPhones, and in Play Store in the case when you're using Android. So as you can see in my Apple Store, it shows over here the sign open because I downloaded before iOS social calendar for myself when I got it, the mod for the app before. So to you, it will show the sign of downloading. So practically all you have to do, you need to press it to download the app. After you download it, you need to open it for at least 30 seconds. The reason why you need to open for at least 30 seconds, it is enough time required that information and data process it from the website to the app, guys. So after I complete the first app, I got back to the website, sorry for my focus, and I downloaded the second app, which is Coin Master. If you'll go to the Safari, to the website, you're going to see that here it is Coin Master on the top and I have social calendar over here. I did the same steps also with the Coin Master. I press on it, tap to install, it will connect automatically with the Apple Store. Also again, it needs to update it. I download it and I open it again for 30 seconds, and this is how it started to generate money on my IMVU account. So guys, this is my video tour for today. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, if it helped you, don't forget to press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.